look here. Today we are going to see one of the shortcut keys that allows us to use the emoji right from our computer. Why? Because we use the emojis almost every day. We use it for anything. So why not also know how to use them from a computer because it allows us to express different things, right? We use the emojis to say, yes, I am in. Thank you, thumbs up. We use the emoji to express our love towards our spouse. And we also use them when we are so happy, when we are testing friends, when we are just feeling like, hey, and to decorate our picture frames. And we also use them, why not, to express our gratitude and to say a prayer, right? We use those emojis when we are like, oh, I need to go to bed now. We use those emojis when we're tired, and we use them even to say silly things, right? We use the emojis for expressing our 100% agreement or involvement in a particular thing. We use them for many and many and many so many things. Therefore, it's much really, really important to know how to use the emojis. Let's jump right into it. The shortcut to using the emoji is really simple. It's like most of those shortcuts out there that I have showed you guys before. So it's very simple. What you got to do to use it is to press on the window logos key, press the full stop key together. And to do so, you have to open up one of the applications you would like to use the emoji in. It could either be your WhatsApp, and to do so, make sure you click on the tapping box and then altogether press on the Windows key, Windows logo key, plus the full stop key altogether. And then you can see all those emojis would just pop up and you can like browse, navigate across the emojis and find the one you would like to use. You can even search for whatever emojis you would like to use. You can look for cars, you can look for love emojis, you can so many things you can do here. And all you got to do to use it is just click on it and it's gonna like go immediately into your tab box. And once you're done, just click somewhere, anywhere else, and the box will close automatically. And you can simply just tap on the enter key, and the emoji will be sent as a text message. Another way of using it, you can actually even use it on your messenger. I mean, your desktop messenger application. All you gotta do is the same thing, and then press the window logo plus the full stop key altogether. What I meant, Windows logo and full stop key, and again, it's gonna show up, and you can click on your most recently used emojis, and they're going to show up here. And you can again do the same thing. Just click on the emoji you like and click on enter. As you click on enter, you're gonna like keep adding more and more and more. If you're done selecting the one or the emoji you like, just click on the X and then press on enter to send it. If you're done, you can actually use the emoji for your website test in your website test editor. For instance, let me just show you here. I'm going to open up my test editor here, and I like to bike a lot. What I'm going to do is just select my index page, and then from my tattoo of area my website, right? What I'm gonna do is I just click next to it, right, and do the same thing, Windows logo and full stop all together. Because I like to bike, I'm gonna choose this bicycle, right? And then as you can see, the bicycle is already been added right next to my name, and I'm gonna just click on Control S to save it, and then go look it up online to see whether it has successfully work or not. And now before I do that, what I will do is go back here and just click on here and click on copy full path, and just go to my navigator and paste it right here. Now launch it, and you can see the barcode is showing up here, right? And there's so many things you can do with the emojis. You can actually use it in your email. If you have an email application, just pull it up, open, and new email in the tab box here. Just do the same thing, right? If I, for instance, I want to say thank you, and now to use the emojis, I'm gonna do Windows logo and full stop. And if I want, I can search thank you here, right? I can just tap and search it. Thank you. You see the emojis right away is showing up, and I can just select it and boom, I'm done. And I enter the email that I would like to send it to. Right? If I want, I can select the receiver, right? And you can do so many things with the emoji shortcut key. So, for all in all, that's all about how the emoji shortcut keys. There are so many other things you can use with emoji. As you can see here, you can use the emoji to describe your skill levels. So, all in all, that's all we know about how to use the emojis. Thanks for watching.